Okay.
Come on. Are you ready for your first food? Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Uh-oh. She didn't, oh, honey, she didn't eat any of it.
It's all right.
Here we go. Is that good?
She ate that.
Oh, no, Dad.
It's all right.
Let's try it again. Num, 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 num. You have to close your mouth and swallow. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Uh-oh. Boy, we are really... Let's, oh, here.
Not as much this time.
Here. Oh, no. It's not working, babe. She's just spitting it out.
Maybe she's not hungry enough.
Do you like this? Here. Num. Is that delish? There you go.
I think she's getting some.
Okay. Okay, let's keep going. You like that? Is that good? Here. Oh,
Yeah, I'm getting some.
there we go.
Swallow. Is that warm? Is your milk warm?
Was right from my breast. I hope so. Here.
That's good.
Here. Oh. Oh, shoot. Here, babes. Num, num. Goodness. Is that delicious? You like that?
Good girl.
I think she likes it.
Good girl.
Aw.
You gotta get it on in there.
Open up. Oh. Well, we're getting a little bit in there.
You get it?
Oh. You like that? Oops.
You got
Oh,
that
there
one?
we go. Num, num. That's good. Oops. That's good.
Good girl. Yeah, smaller spoonfuls. Haven't quite got this down yet.
Whoopsie.
It happens.
You like that, baby? She likes it, I think. You like it? Yeah. Is that delish? That's so good.
Good girl. Keep going. You gotta get some in.
It's like I can't shovel it in her mouth fast
You
enough.
gotta get some
Is
in.
it so good? Is that delish? go. You like that, don't you? Dad, I think we like it. I think we have a winner. Here, want some more? Look at her. Hi.
She gets that one.
So good. Is that delish? Is it so good?
She get that one.
Here we go.
Use your napkin. We gotta use napkins.
Is that so good? She's getting all excited. You like that, baby? Oopsie, that one didn't go in so well. That one didn't go in so well. Is that good, Tater? Is that good?
It's getting there.
Oops. Is that good? Here. Here, baby. You want to feed her, Dad?
Good. You gotta keep some of it in. You gotta keep some of it in.
Oh. You're such a big girl. She's wanting to use the spoon by herself. I can't wait till we give you fruit and veggies. No? Yeah. Is it that good? Do you love it? Oh, she might be done.
Just give her a chance to.
Is it that good? You crack me up. Here.
You gotta get it in the mouth. Down the hatch. Let's take a break.
Say, Happy Father's Day, Granddaddy, Granddaddy, Trez, Mr. Richard, Uncle Jim. Happy Father's Day, Dad. We love you. Oh, yes. You want some more, baby? Some more?
Get some more.
and Uncle Juan and Uncle Tim, happy Father's Day. Oh, okay. All right.
It's one way to keep it down.
You are so strong. You are so strong. I can't believe how strong you are. Are we done or are we going to have some more? All right. Okay, Dad. I think we're done.